You're looking at a 2018 Honda Ridgeline Black Edition. 45,000 miles that comes fully loaded. Every option available. It is all-wheel drive. Tonneau cover, premium wheels, Michelin Cross Climate tires. Was just traded in. Previous owner bought a rig in from us. Bought it brand new from the dealership. It is the Black Edition. It's got blind spot monitors. Blind spots, obviously. Heated leather seats, full power options, moonroof, lane keep assist, parking sensors, memory seats, Bluetooth, adaptive cruise. Exact mileage is 45,831. Navigation, backup camera with the multi-camera system, dual zone climate control, heated seats, air conditioning, push start, all weather mats, moonroof. That's just because the car's on, so I just have to unlock. Tow hitch in the back. Always serviced at the dealer. Bed liner. Tonneau cover. I think I've already said that. Just a nice clean car. If you're interested, please give us a call. Phone number is 508-921-0301. Thank you.